Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about this Vision mini safe box. This safe box can open with key, with keypad, and you can also make your custom code inside. Let's start. Before doing any step, before making any changes in the safe box, just read these instructions. Um, First instruction will be: do not pull this out, do not try to remove it. Once the door is open, you can easily remove and throw it away. Second thing, these keys must be hanging around outside of the safe box. These are the emergency keys. You need to store them outside of the safe box all the time. Why? Because maybe if your battery is dead or you forgot your password, you must need these keys because there is no duplicate key. So this will be the only one way to open the safe box in case of emergency. Third thing, these safe box comes with 4 pieces of batteries, but we recommend to install alkaline batteries, 4 pieces, AA size, for a better performance. Now, first time you want to open the safe box, just remove this cover, insert this key, turn it to the left side, and with the other hand turn this knob to the right side. Now open the safe box. You can now throw the cushion away. Safe box is open. Open the battery compartment. If batteries are not installed, pre-installed, you need to install them. Once you installed, you can open with user code. Now remove the keys. Okay. Now you can open with the user code. The default passcode is 159E for enter. The green light is on, it means you can open. So as long as the green light is on, you can open the safe box. But for example, if you insert 159E, the green light is on and you think like safe box is open, yes, it's open. But now once it's closed, it will lock again. So you need to make sure you will open the safe box in that time when the green light is on. So 159E. Now I open the safe box is open. Now how to set your own passcode. When you open the safe box, there will be a one red button. I'll show you. It's here, red button. You need to press just once, like a click. Beep will be there, this yellow light will be there, and now you can set your own custom passcode, which could be 3 to 8 digits. I'll go with 1 2 3 4 and E for enter. You can see the green light is on, it means the password is changed. Now I'll try the own one, 159E. No, it's not working. 1 2 3 4 E. It's open. So it means we change our password. We know now how to open with a key, how to open with the user code, how to change the user code. One more thing, there are we always give this fixing bolts with the safe box. Why? Because if you want to mount on the floor, there are 2 holes on the bottom of the safe box and 2 holes on the back side of the safe box. So if you want to install, you can use them. That's all. Thank you.